what?
Subscribe.
Oh my God, that's a lot. How long to see you, Matthew? How are you?
Good.
Yes?
And I've been making a lot of recipes today, and a lot of famous people want to come in here today, and we're gonna have some visitors.
Yes.
Coming in today.
Okay.
So I'll tell you when the visitors are here. So let's get started.
So Matthew, what we're making today?
We're making turkey cookies.
Wow, sounds yummy. Matthew, do you know what Thanksgiving is?
Yes, it's where all the people in USA celebrate with their family.
Yeah, that's right. Good. Matthew, can we start with the ingredients?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
And we're gonna do butter, then sugar cookies, and now for decoration we're gonna do fruit butterfoot, jelly beans, candy corn, snow caps, milk chocolate, Dove, and Hershey syrup. First we're gonna do the sugar. Next we're gonna do the butter. Milky. Yeah. Because I opened it a little. I'm skimming. I forgot that we need 1 egg. Yeah. Now we're gonna mix all the ingredients. Take a little piece of this and then roll into a circle. Bigger piece and then roll it into a circle. And then we flat it and then we put it into the pan. So I'm going to take another piece of it. Hold on, guys. I almost got it there. And then we put it on here and then we smush it. When you're using electricity, you need a parent because it might die, because if you plug something in, you'll get burned because you'll get shocked. And you always need a parent. So, and when you're doing this, you have to wash your hands when you do that. Guys, after you finish these, you need help putting it in the oven from the parent. Okay, it's time to decorate. Now, first we need a cookie, and then we need a Dove chocolate, and then we have to stick this thing in the one. Guys, all of you guys have to draw a turkey on the cookie. The eyes with the milk chocolate frosting. How does it look like? It looks like a turkey cookie.
Oh my God, famous Matthew! Look, it's like a turkey cookie. It looks yummy. Can you see, guys?
And I did it all by myself.
Nice! So tasty. How is your cookie? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Ah! Do you like it? Yes,
The
you
sale was the best.
Yes.
Do you like the
I really
sale
like
part?
it. Yeah. Right. I wanna ask you something. Do you have plans for this Thursday for
Yes.
Thanksgiving? What is your plan?
I'm gonna go to my grandma's house.
Oh, that's so sweet. You wanna say hi to your grandma and mom? Say hi, mom.
Hi, Grandma, Mommy. Mwah.
Oh, so sweet.
Now the fridge for cookies. Guys, we finished the video and I hope you like it and draw your comment and make sure to subscribe.
Bye.
And make it have 1,000 subscribers. Please. Bye.